Menteri rangbah ke Jelau Conrad ke sangma mentakas ngir kat bat Menteri ke tenat ke koyokia welat miki Shilla kelalai banjungo ya ke Shillong Medical College ke badan halomali Shillong. Habakren hagi samla pule Menteri rangbah olapan pawe yang sukmen ban yoi ba kijing hikai kelas dang hagane ke jaka pule doktor kikna ulayo ban rong nukong hagane ke jaka pule. Kane ke jaka pule kalong ke badan kam hadu kata ya ke jela meklia. But ya kan jaka pule on sawan ban pli daw menteri rangbah du jongkari India. Kat badang up ya kan jingwan pli lahab ban sedang no ya jing hikai ban nom sap kapor. Long ba kan jaka pule kelabu shibun jing hande jing khublai kalej syak doktor ampren lendo ka menteri ka tanak ko kya ke ba mensyua bat ki ofsar ke blah tres tom penulong ya kan jaka pule doktor kumba kalong mentah. Long ba kadang don shibun kijing Henry na kalyang ke sarkar kalakut jumut ba kane ke cakap pule kan long ke bakongsan na kamta ke sarkar jela ban kadai banyak cekman klam da don kano ke jingwit long ba kadang don shibun kijing Henry na kalyang jong sarkar kalakut jumut ba kane ke cakap pule doktor kan long ke bakongsan na kamta ke sarkar jela lai kublai ke doktor ke bla jumut boit bat bor ban pelong ya kane ke cakap pule doktor kumba kalong mentah. Lakan tu yang samla pule bakin ra ya kanam ko borom kum ki samla badang pule nangkong ha kane ke medical college ha ju ko por laong ba kim dei bandon kano kijing atatin namar ba tang sedang thamai ki don be ki jingduna hang ne hang tai.
A very, very happy moment for me personally to be able to come here today and to be able to interact with all of you. And I'll be very frank, I wanted to do this some time back. But as you all know that this being a very, very important institution and an important project for the state, we have been communicating with the Honorable Prime Minister's office for him to come and inaugurate the medical college. And I was hoping that we'll get response, but I guess because of different commitments, different engagements, elections, parliament, we have not been able to get his time yet, and hence I was waiting that I'll come with him together. That's why the delay. But then since time was moving forward and classes have started, I felt it absolutely necessary that we can have the inauguration later on with our Honorable Prime Minister or Honorable Health Minister, Government of India. But in the meantime, I would not want to lose this moment of this initial phase of how things are happening, starting. And so the Honorable Minister and myself decided that while the inauguration can wait, let us at least go and spend some time and interact with our faculty and especially our students. So that is the background of my visit. Of course, it will not be a very long visit because I have to now fly to William Nagar and then from William Nagar to Tura. So I have a long schedule and a long program today. But I just wanted to tell you that this project has been a very, very challenging project. This has been a very difficult project. We've been working on this for the last 2.5, almost 3 years. And I must put on record the work that has been put in by our former minister, Kong Amperin, as well as our officials, including Mr. Sampath and especially Mr. Zoram, and all the other people who have been involved, all our doctors from the state service who have really taken this project as their own. And really the way it was driven so passionately that this is like a mission mode kind of a project. And that is really what has made this project a possibility. And while we have many, many challenges ahead of us and many, many more things to do, which I will spend some time after this meeting, we'll spend about 10-15 minutes. I'd like to sit with Director and Dean and the faculty just to understand what could be done in the short term, medium term and long term. And so therefore I'd like to not speak too much, but I just wanted to share that this is a very important project for us. And I just wanted to thank all the faculty members, especially faculty who have joined us. Thank you so much for your service, your commitment, and for being part of the team to make this a possibility. It would not have been possible without you. to all the our Honorable Minister. Let's give a round of applause. Also, I would like to thank. Also, I would like to thank, of course, our in-service doctors, as they have really, number one, guided us and put in their entire expertise and service. But more importantly, at their own personal level, they have chosen to be part of this medical college because they see a much larger purpose being part of a project like this, because we are really preparing ourselves for decades and for the future to come. So therefore, this is a very, very important project. We all realize the importance of this, and that's why I personally wanted to come and in front of all of you wanted to thank all the faculty members, all those who have joined us, and of course our in-house doctors and in-service doctors who were there, who have decided to be part of the faculty and join us. So I thank you all, and of course the young students who are there. Really, this is a great moment for all of us. I mean, maybe 5 years back, who could imagine that we'd have a Shillong Medical College, and who could imagine that you'd be studying here today. So therefore, it's a great moment for all of us, a very satisfying moment. And I must say that you're a historic batch, because you're the first batch. You will always be remembered as the first batch, and of course you will also, most importantly, lay the standards down for the future generation to come. So therefore, there's a huge expectation from all of you, and I must say this, that this opportunity that you are getting, which I'm sure you realize, nobody has got this opportunity in the past. You are the first people to get this opportunity, and you must really, and I hope and I pray and I encourage you that take use of this entire opportunity of being here. As I said, you will lay the standards down for the future generations and the future batches to come. We expect a lot from you, and yes, there will be a lot of challenges. Things are not perfect. It's like starting a new house, starting a new business, or starting a new state. It's a completely from the scratch. And so therefore there will be challenges, there will be many complaints, I'm sure. Sometimes water is not coming, sometimes there's no hot water. I can imagine all of that happening. But that's part of the process. Let me assure you that I'm here to be with you, to support you in all of that, to resolve as much of the problems as we can, to the extent that even if I have to carry the water, I'll try to do that also. So that's the kind of commitment. That's the kind of commitment that myself, my team, especially my Honorable Minister, our Commissioner Secretary have towards this. Just because we did not come here, as I said, doesn't mean we were not concerned. We were really waiting for that magic moment to step, along with the Honorable Prime Minister. But as I said, that's taking a bit of time. And so we thought that we'll come and meet all of you. So I will not take much more of your time. I think at this point in time, I have a very nice program. I don't know if you all know this. It's called CM Connect, where I actually talk less and listen more. So I give the chance to the people to ask questions, to give their suggestions. So I think it'll be most appropriate. Of course, I'll have a separate session with the faculty, but before that, maybe I would like to hear from the students. So if any of you, would like to say something, good or bad also, no problem. But when you say the bad things, don't be too loud and don't be too rough, okay? And don't talk nicely. But you can tell us the bad things also, because this is the opportunity to do that. We are here to kind of resolve those issues that you have. So please share with us if you have any concerns, if you have any suggestions, more importantly, and if you'd like to share your experience, you're welcome to do that. But I would like to hear from the students, any of the students. Sports facilities we mentioned, it's being done. But let me tell you the larger picture. Larger picture is, of course, in the long run, we have got a plan for the overall development of the infrastructure. So that is happening, but it's not going to happen immediately. I'll be very frank. So we're starting with the basic infrastructures that are required, and we have set out the plan. We have got, in fact, a blueprint of the buildings. So we'll be able to go phase-wise manner, because it's a large investment running into hundreds and hundreds of crores. So therefore, we may not be able to do everything in one go. But what I need is basically direction to prioritize that investment. This is the first batch, the historic batch, and you will set the standards for this institute. So I really look forward to it. I wish you all the very best for your future, for your career, and for your tenure and duration in this medical college. And of course, I also take this opportunity to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you so much.